Attitude shifter. Number 4. Flowing water. Experiencing flowing water neutralizes bad attitudes. I assert this because the human body is 75% water, the planet we inhabit is 70% water. Harvard physician Cynthia Dorsey, PhD, found that 30-minute sting baths taken 1.5 to 2 hours before bedtime improved sleep efficiency in female insomniac by approximately 10%. Flowing water soothing sound have long been associated with meditation. Michael Winger, Dean of Buddhist Study at the San Francisco Zen Center, describes moving water as white noise, in which you can hear many things. The European Center of Environment and Human Health found that scenes containing water are associated with higher perceived restorativeness than those without water. People are drawn to the color blue. This is so simple and abundant as an attitude shifter. It would be foolish to ignore it. Find flowing water. Either actually find it or search for audio recording and vivid water imagery if you're stuck indoors. Tune in for 3 minutes. You don't need to think or do anything else. Relax and notice your attitude calm. Your attitude will already have shifted and your ability to choose what it will now become will flow again.